Welcome to the new OrderWise version 19.12 release video. Today we're going to take a look at some of the new features included in the December release of OrderWise. Our first new feature is the introduction of customer shelf life warnings. You can now set a minimum shelf life in days against the customer. If you allocate a variant to that customer that won't meet this minimum number of days on arrival, a warning will appear on screen to warn you of this. By using this new feature, you'll avoid mistakes and prevent any related returns, not to mention avoiding any customer upset. If you're part of the Amazon Vendor Central program, you might be interested in two of our new labels. You can now print Amazon Vendor Central goods labels and parcel labels directly from OrderWise before dispatching your goods to Amazon. These labels meet the Amazon Vendor Central guidelines, so you'll have one less thing to worry about. If you're using our eBay integration, you can now assign eBay business policies to your eBay templates. This means that you don't need to set individual policies for returns, shipping, and payments in OrderWise when you've already set them in eBay. Simply assign which policy you want the template to use, and when these are pushed to eBay, the correct policies will automatically apply. The To Manufacture report can now be added to the scheduled service. This means that you can set it to run automatically to ensure you're always keeping up with demand on any items that you manufacture. If you'd like to see all of the new features included in this release, head over to our website to read the full release notes, or take a look at our blog where we've listed a few more new pieces of development. We hope you have a great Christmas, and we'll see you in the new year with another update.